we're gonna take a little quick unboxing video. It's raining and storming outside, so I'm just doing this in here today. Just gonna hand tighten this, just show you how it goes. Okay, and then there's this 1/2 inch adapter to 10AN. Get the dust off, and then that just screws in here. And pretty sure it doesn't need any like Teflon tape or anything, at least on the MPT threads. But I know AN doesn't need Teflon tape, but sometimes pipe threads might need some Teflon tape. So you just tighten it, and that will go to this guy right here. This is the nylon braided one I got, and it's just fits in, screws right on. So just like that, and it'll drain. This is definitely a nice kit. I got one of the nicer kits because I know oiling your turbo is the most important part. If your turbo is not oiled, I mean, the oil is also the coolant. And here's the little T-fitting, the little 3-way or 4-way I meant, and then give you a little block to block off, and then one to feed into the block, because the block has this special thread right here. Nice stainless braided feed line. I like this, it's nice. Alright, let's put this to the side. Well, also, I just want to show you the little straight AN. They also gave me a straight one. Really nice. These the fittings are really nice. This is from an Amazon company called Evil Energy, and looks really good. I'm very happy with the AN stuff. I just wish that it wasn't missing a bolt, but it's no big deal. I'm not one of those guys that pitches a fit. As long as it wasn't some crazy bolt thread. And then I got this. I mean, they sent this black one, which is supposed to, it's aluminum, but ours is steel. Our oil pan is steel, so we have that coming. But these are good. I can use these to make breather boxes. And oh, this is a mess. Just throw it on the floor. And then the 45, and there you go. That's the whole. And I forgot to show you that's to the oil feed. There's a little bit of. Didn't notice there's a little burr on this one right here. The milling machine or whatever didn't completely clean this up. Oh well, I'll have to take care of that later. But it's good stuff, nice stuff, not bad. And then we got, before we do the parts, we'll do the parts last. I want to show you let's get the turbo out of the way. Again, the turbo is supplied by Monkey Wrenching. Really awesome dude. Check out his channel, Monkey Wrenching, Monkey Space Wrenching. Okay, and then here I've got a K&N. We've got 2 of these. The other one's out in the garage. but it's a very nice crankcase vent filter, breather box filter, whatever you want to call it. Positive crankcase ventilation. And then I already took this apart, cut it because it was insanely hard to open. Didn't want to waste you guys time. This is a really nice Bosch mechanical boost pressure gauge. It doesn't use an electrical sending unit like most of them do. It uses the actual boost, and you run this little nylon line, hard line, to your manifold, what have you, and it's got a little light. It's got a nice little light that just goes in there, and then you wire up the red to 12-volt ignition whenever you have your ignition on. This will the backlight will turn on, and then black to ground. What a good ground near you. Very nice, all metal bracket. It's very nice. I only spent 20 bucks on this, and it's, you know, much better than the ones I've saw on eBay or the cheaper ones on Amazon. I like it a lot. I really am happy with this. It's probably my go-to gauge from now on. I mean, it only goes up to 20 pounds, but I'm not going to be hitting 30 pounds anytime soon. So, believe me. It comes with all the mounting hardware. It comes with even an adapter to feed into your manifold, or wherever you're going to tap into the boost. Wherever you're going to tap into the boost, the vacuum, whatever. And here it is. It's just a little MPT fitting right here. So it looks like, yeah, it's quarter inch MPT right here, and then their flare fittings right here, which are these just a little tiny. It's like brake line fittings, and then it just goes in there and compresses, goes into this, and then this little nut compresses it, basically like how I already did it right here. But yeah, works really good. I'm really happy with this gauge. Don't want to lose this little small stuff. Even comes with a manual, instructions, but it's very simple. You just tie it into your boost, and that's it. And if you want the backlight, you know, there's a backlight. And then this is a nice little, cool little bung that can be mounted like this way. It's even got kind of a notch to it, so it can fit on the tube really well. But yeah, and it comes with a plug. Very nice, from Pit Visit, Amazon. And next will be we got the Idemitsu power steering fluid, and the go-to, or my go-to, full synthetic Amazon Basics 5W30. And I got a little present because I had to send something back, and they gave me a choice. So I got the brand new pair of Nipix 8601 250. It's the 10-inch version of the ones I already love and used. 7-inch, 10-inch. But these are great wrenches. Basically the crescent wrenches of tomorrow. And got the glow shift adapter. Sometimes they call this like a pulse dampener or something. Honda pulse dampener. It's basically to put a fuel gauge into on your hood, or you can just thread an electric feed that will send it to a gauge so you can see it on your dash, the fuel pressure. But I'm just gonna thread a little fuel gauge onto here, and then it's just gonna, whenever I pop my hood, I can see my fuel pressure right away. But yeah, great little thing to have for Hondas. That's by Glow Shift. Got some stickers too. Everybody should know what Glow Shift is. That was the type of gauges I used back then. And then we got a full set of Honda Prelude H23A head bolts. So yep, already checked them. They look good. They look exactly like what it came in the car, but they're just a lot newer and a lot nicer heads. So this is a very good. That was a very good deal I got on eBay for those. And then last little part will be from Rock Auto. We got the valves. We got 1, 2, and oh shoot! Sorry, my hands are slick for some reason. Okay, we got the intake and we got the exhaust. We got 4 of them. Two exhaust, 2 intake, and they look good. They look just like ours. Wow. These boxes just keep falling off. Okay. So the intake's gonna be the bigger one, and the exhaust's gonna be this one. They look really good. I like them. I'm gonna keep them in their packages because they're nice and oiled up. I'm probably gonna get this done tomorrow, putting the valves together, because I'm getting the head gasket tomorrow, and that'll be a good video tomorrow. We'll do some valve lapping. We got some valve lapping compound. Yep. That's what's in this box. And then last but not least, we've got this box, little surprise. What in the world? And this is a little present from CK Worldwide. If you don't already know what it is, it's a nice big, oops, sorry. It's a nice big banner. I can't even get it on the camera. It's so big. It's huge. It's gonna take up a lot of the wall space. That's awesome. I love it so much. It's nice vinyl, really thick. I mean, big shout out to CK Worldwide. They are awesome. Look forward to taking some more videos. Say bye, Technician A.